Hi friends, I am here at home and I am getting so excited about you coming back to school and I can hardly wait. So I am sending you with a little assignment, but don't worry, it's fun. Here's what I want. When you come back to school, I would like you, before you come, to take a sheet of paper. This is just a piece of copy paper that I pulled out of my printer. I would like you to draw a portrait of yourself. Keep it bright and colorful, and I want it to be so that it's this way, not this way. So that your head is here and then your body is here, or you can just do your head. But we will hang these up in our classroom when everyone comes. I cannot wait. So do your assignment and I will see you soon.